thanks for watching. Today I'm going to be showing you some tips and tricks on shaking, storing, cleaning, burping and dispensing your adhesive. So let's get started. Adhesive bottles should always be stored upright in a dark space and away from sunlight. A great little tip is to store it in a glass jar or container with an airtight lid. This is super important for making your adhesive last longer and stay fresh. We sell airtight adhesive containers on our website at blushedeffects.com. Shaking your adhesive vigorously is super important. If the ingredients do not mix properly, the adhesive will not work as it's supposed to. You should shake before your first client for at least 60 seconds. During your appointment, you should shake it for at least 15 seconds each time you dispense your adhesive. This will help your adhesive do the job that it's meant to be doing. After dispensing the glue each time, sit the bottle down upright and give it a gentle squeeze. You will be able to see air bubbles coming out the top. This will remove any air from the neck of the bottle. This is called burping. If the neck of your adhesive bottle becomes clogged, you will notice it becomes more and more difficult to dispense your adhesive. I've seen many people try and push something like a needle down the nozzle to unclog it. All this does is push dry adhesive back inside the bottle. This will only end up back in the neck of your bottle the next time you use it, and over time it will become impossible to use, meaning you end up having to throw it away. It is very important to never use cotton fibers or any cotton products near your adhesive. If you clean the nozzle of your adhesive with a cotton pad, it is highly likely some fibers will be left behind. If this happens on a regular basis, it can slowly start to melt the plastic nozzle. This will weaken the neck of the bottle, causing it to snap off. Avoid wiping your adhesive with anything. Try burping your glue instead. By keeping your nozzle clear and dispensing it in the correct way, you should be able to use it until the very last drop. Once opened, we recommend replacing your adhesive every 6 to 8 weeks. It's a good idea to write the date you open your adhesive on the bottle just so you don't forget. We find that micropore tape is the best for this technique. Some people use glue dots or stickers, but we feel you don't get the same result. Place tape onto your jade stone. Make sure your adhesive is vertical, as this helps remove the air. Place 2 drops onto the tape so it creates a bubble. We find 2 drops is plenty. It is easier to dip your extensions into the bubble and removing slowly to remove any excess adhesive, rather than dabbing it onto your client's iPad. Dabbing can also remove adhesive from your extensions, which can lead to extensions falling off sooner. Using this technique, you will get much more use out of your glue each and every time. I hope these little tips helped you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.